Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video, another tutorial. It's not tutorial, it's all about wig. So it's all about wig, since those why I'll be using the one they made already, wig itself. So now I'll be making my own myself. So yeah, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe. And a very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you guys. So the things I'll be using, these are the hair I'll be using. Yeah, this is the hair I'll be using. So this one is the lace that came. So 20 inches with the lace. So this is the 3 bond of the hair. So 30 inches, that is what I'll be using for this wig. Yeah, this is the wig I'll be using. So I didn't order this myself online. No, I never ordered it. So it's a gift, Obi give me the money to buy it. So I bought it from a friend. So she's also my stylist. So when I don't want to make my hair myself, I'll go for her. She's the one making my hair. So she'll have this. So I decide to, December, Christmas, I decide to, to buy something from her. So I bought this hair from her with the Obi money she gave me. So this is it with the lace, 20 inches. And she gave me this comb also. She gave me this as a gift, Christmas gift, with latches also. So that is what I'll be using to comb my hair, my natural hair. I love this comb. So I'll be using thread, which everyone know, comb and scissors to cut the thread. And my needles, so I've already threaded the needles. I thread them already. So I'll be using these 2 different type of needle, the curve and the straight one. I don't know if you can see it well. So I'll be using this. I'll be using this pin also, the pin you can see here, that will help me, to get what I want. And my dome cap. So I fix it already on the dome head. So that is what I'll be using. So with that being said, let's just continue with it. See you guys.